Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. The LINK chart continues to be in this ascending price channel. We call it a diagonal pattern because the subwaves are corrective and I'd like to see another high. So I'm watching for one more high, only then it's really a diagonal. So we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and this wave 4 is likely still unfolding, looking good. And then one more high in the wave 5 should sort of happen afterwards. Okay, so as long as at least the $9.75 level is holding, that's the main support level I have here on the chart. Fibonacci support just below that level, and that's probably when I will start to turn bearish. We've got the $9.50 level, which is the previous upper boundary line of this trend channel in which LINK has been moving between June 22 and October last year. So we had a breakout and therefore ideally we stay above that level now. The idea is we only have 3 waves up so far. Yeah, one more high expected as long as support is holding. Then we will have 5 waves up, and this would be a breakout pattern because we could then get a pullback, which is correcting this entire 5-wave move. But after the pullback, a 3rd wave rally should unfold. Looking at the microstructure, it's going well. Don't need to adjust the micro count at all. At the moment, the move down is following through. And the idea was that this C wave ideally ends below the low of the A wave. And the A wave hit our trading area already the first time on the 17th of November. Then reacted and rallied in a 3-wave structure, put in a high B wave. And it seems like this C wave to the downside is basically unfolding now. I mentioned to you it's not an impulse, would have to be an ending diagonal, something I'm watching for on the Bitcoin chart as well, but Bitcoin's sideways action makes this a little bit challenging. Here at least it's being followed through, and it seems like we should get one more low here. I mean, it's currently doing that. That's sort of, I think, what we talked about in the last video. There was also no indication in the last video that a low had been established, so the idea of one more low seems to materialize right now. The idea is we're now in the wave C of 3, should then ideally get another 4 and 5 if it really is a larger ABC structure, which is the most common pattern. If it is a WXY, which is possible, WXY, then the low could be at any time now. Okay, with an ABC, I'd like to see another 4-5 pattern. What would be the first indication that a low has formed, a more lasting low in wave 4? Well, it should at least move above this B wave high at $14.83. Better would be a break above the $16.08 level, which is the wave 2 high. And then the next major resistance is the $18.30 level, which is previous structural resistance, I think formed in 2022 in April. And we should then get to around about $21 plus, which would be the ideal target for the 5th wave, but I can really only lock that down. I lock that Fibonacci zone once the wave 4 has established a low and once we can see a reversal. Be aware that possibly the price might hit that trend line. That could obviously be a reversal signal. And just below that, we've got the important $11 level. It's important on this chart because it is the 38.2 retracement. And the 38.2 retracement is an absolute key level in a wave 4. And there is good support in this orange box. So let's see if the price will react to it. Certainly, there's nothing bearish until the chart really breaks back into this previous range below $9.50. That's my update about LINK. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.